गुस्ताव, तेरा तेरा नाम दिख रहा है मेज पे थोड़ा सा।
हाँ जी।
गुस्ताव, तेरा तेरा नाम
Hello everyone, welcome to Google Cloud Study Jam's info session. Beneath, next slide. So first of all, what is cloud? So all of you must have heard of cloud technology. So cloud technology refers to the use of remote servers hosted on internet to store, manage, process data, provide various benefits. You can see that slide. So all of you must have used cloud at some point of your life. Cloud is everywhere we see right now. When you think about data, it's cloud. When you think about machine learning, there is cloud. Cloud is involved in every aspect of technology nowadays. So, cloud technology can be used to store, manage, as well as process data. So, for an example, let's say you want to download a movie, 2 GB movie, and you do not have 2 GB space on your phone. What do? You use something called as Google Drive, you might use something called as Telegram. All of these, you are storing it on a server, right? So that server is basically cloud. For machine learning, let's say you want to process a million images in order for your model to work. And of course, not every machine will have the capability to process 100 images. So for there also, you will need cloud. Even
वो
in
माइक
other
म्यूट नहीं करी
aspects
उसने
of
मैंने
technology like
माइक म्यूट
data
नहीं करी इसलिए
processing,
आ रहा
data
मेरे
mining,
को
cloud is used everywhere.
ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है मतलब
Next slide.
इतना घटिया क्वालिटी का पीसी यूज कर रहा है
So, Google Developer Student Clubs of DJ
थोड़ा
Sangvi
ट्वेंटी
is
भी
here to
एडिटिंग
help you
आया है
start with
फाइनल
your cloud journey.
मैं तो बोल
As you all know, we are going to offer free courses on cloud as well as Gen AI. And for this, we have our program, and the facilitator of this program is going to be none other than our tech head, Vineet Chatalia. So let me give the to him.
Hello everyone. I hope I'm audible.
अच्छा है तो ज्वाइन करता हूँ मैं एनएमएमएस में
Okay, so before we start anything, so I'm going to be a
कोई
cloud
काम क्या रहता
facilitator
है
this
उसमें
year.
मतलब ऐसा
My name is Vineet
पता नहीं
Chotalia,
दिख रहा उसमें
and these
देखता
are
होगा
some
फिर
of my
वोडाफोन वगैरह में
achievements.
रहता हूँ
And I've shared my phone number with y'all. If y'all have any doubt regarding the registration
तुम्हारा अभी
process, you
पुराना
can
है
reach
मतलब
me
पुराना
out
मतलब
over
पुराना
WhatsApp
है ना उसको
or LinkedIn,
लिंक कर
always
दिया था
works.
पहले
So moving on, what is Google Cloud Study Jam? So basically, a cloud study jam is a hands on learning experience program organized by Google.
और बड़ी
It is organized typically in collaboration with certain organizations. Mostly it's with GDSC.
वो
So
बेल्ट लगा
GDSC
रहे थे काम
DJSCE is also
ऊपर
hosting a
ऊपर
cloud study jam this year. The primary
और क्या
goal of
है
this program
पूरा
is to
सेटअप किया
provide
है ये
participants
तो वो
with
है
a
इधर
kickstart journey
टाइमिंग
to
रहता
their
है
cloud
टाइमिंग
career.
इधर की
So
तरफ
let's say you are someone who wants to
एवरीथिंग इज
start
अवेलेबल इन
learning
जीओटी
about
वो
cloud
बस
and you don't know
डिलीवरी
anything. So I think you are at the right place. Cloud Study Jam provides you with everything. Basically, you can consider as a zero to hero program. to build a kickstart to your cloud career. So the hands-on experience will not only be focused to theoretical sessions like boring lectures, but it will be like more of an arcade game and practical sessions. So moving on, why you should study or why you should participate in Cloud Jam. So I hope everyone would like free stuff. Okay. So when you have something which is worth more than $60, who will not want to grab it? So the first thing which we have is free Quick Lab access. So Quick Lab is nothing but Google's, like you can say, a course platform where every course developed by Google is published. So if you are part of Cloud Study Jam program, you'll get credits worth more than $55 for a course of 1 month. So I feel it's a big thing in and all. The second most important thing would be hands-on learning. The program is all set to give you hands-on practical experience. This will involve like playing with virtual machines, making cloud databases, and everything you can think about from cloud. Next would be hosted in 60 plus countries. So when you think about Cloud Study Jam program, it's not only a program focused in Google Developer Students Club DJSC or any other college in Mumbai. It's a worldwide event which Google conducts every year, and DJSC is a part of it this year. And from the past 3 years, we are conducting this event. So I think it's a big thing where 800 local communities come together and host a session like this on a large scale for a period of 1 month. And last but not the least would be earn cloud badges. Who does not like to show off some certifications or badges in your resume? So for this, the Cloud Study Jam program has certain badges when you complete a particular course. So that's all. Moving on. So let's say if you're selected for the program, what is expected from you? This year, they have introduced one more module to the entire Study Jam program, that is a generative AI arcade game. So let's say you successfully register and your application is accepted. Then over the course of 1 month, you all are expected to complete both of the pathways, that is a generative AI pathway and a Google Cloud Boost pathway. So in and all, there are total of 4 courses which you'll have to complete, basically 4 modules over the course of 1 month. I'll not dive deep into what are the courses about because it will get out of the scope of the session. Along with the courses, you'll also have to perform 4 quests. Now, what are quests? Quests are nothing but you can say hands on lab experiences. So, let's say when you have a quest named Create and Manage Cloud Resources. So, in that, you'll have to perform, let's say, 5 different labs according to cloud resources. Let's say you'll have to set up a virtual machine, play with certain cloud databases, and all. So, in and all, over the course of 1 month, you'll have to complete 4 courses, 4 quests, and one more they have introduced this year is a generative AI arcade game. It's not a course kind of thing, but it's a like playful thing for you to introduce to the world of AI, LLMs, and stuff. So, moving on, what will be the registration process actually be like? So, the facilitator will first provide the registration form. So we'll be releasing the registration form by 2:30 today. It will be available on the Instagram handle. So what do you have to do after you get the form? So the first and the most important thing is to create a new Cloud Boost account. I'll be showing a live demo of how to do that.
परसों में पाठ पढ़ा रहा हूँ दादा अच्छा खाना है करके बिजनेस का ही खाएगी करके
I hope my screen is visible, Nishta. Hello.
रोजी सैटरडे संडे रहता हमारा तो
Your screen is visible.
Okay. So the first thing that you have to do is come to cloudscaleboost.google.com. So whenever you enter this profile, you'll have to sign in. And please keep in mind the first and the most important thing to do is create a new Gmail account. I'd recommend everyone to create a new Gmail account because if you use an older Gmail account, there are high chances that your profile will get rejected and you'll not get a chance to access the free courses. So the first thing you'll have to do is create a Google account. Then you just, it's a basic sign in form using Google. So as you can see that even I have created a new Gmail account, which is this one. So you sign in from that.
It must be a Gmail account only. No other account is.
Correct. Correct. It should have at the rate gmail.com as the last words in your email. Otherwise, your profile will get rejected instantly. So if you really want to participate, please create a new Gmail account. So after you log into your Cloud Boost account with a new Gmail account, you go to the profile section. In the profile section, you'll see that there is a button called Make Badge Profile Public. You have to hit this button. And once you do this, the assurance would be this member since 2023. And I recommend that you do it today, like create a new Gmail account and do these steps. So there are high chances that your profile will not get rejected. As you can see, I had participated in Google Cloud Study Jam last year. So this is what my profile looks like, member since 2022. If I use this account again this year, I'll get rejected and my profile will not get shortlisted for the journey this year. As you can see, I had completed the course last year, so I have 9 batches all in all, which I can obviously show on my resume or do something with that. So please keep in mind, I'll stress on that again. Please create a new Gmail account. So after you create a Gmail account, the next thing is creating a Cloud Boost profile. And then you fill out the registration form. So this is a dummy form, so don't think you'll copy the link. We'll release the real form at 2:30 today. You enter your email address. Then these are the basic details. You'll have to accept the terms and conditions of the program. If you fail to accept, you're basically out of the program. So it's a compulsory thing to do. You fill your basic details. Please write full name of the college. Yes. Do you have access to working internet connection? Yes. You proceed with the form. Yes, I verify. And this is the most important thing to do. Confirm your email address. Now, this email address would be the one which you have created recently, like the one which you used to create this CloudBoost profile. Please make sure that the CloudBoost profile URL and the Gmail you enter should match. If this fails to match, your profile will be rejected. And this is an automated thing, so no one will help you, even if you have done a minor error in your form. Moving on. Again, this is one more important thing to do. Here you have to paste your Cloud Boost public profile URL. So what is this public profile URL? Just a while ago, we did make our public profile like accessible to everyone. So once you do that, this is the link which you'll have to copy and paste to the browser as it is. I'll suggest that please don't make mistakes while doing this. Also, you can just cross-check it a couple of times if you are really interested for the program. Once you copy and paste, you have to acknowledge every other thing. And you just hit the submit button and you're good to go. So as it is a paid course and Google is providing it for free, we have only 150 registrations allowed per GDSC. So as a part of GDSC DJSCE, we are only allowed to take 150 registrations. So once we make the form live at 2:30, only the first 150 correct entries will be eligible for the program. So what does it mean to submit a correct entry? So there are a few things which I'll have to repeat because it's very important. So the first thing is a new Cloud Boost account created after the 22nd of September. And before this, also make sure you create a new Gmail account. Also, there is one more thing which you'll have to check if you are using an old Gmail, which I'll recommend not doing. If you use it, just check that you have no labs completed on the account. Like you all can see that I have completed the labs last year and I have batches. Your profile should be completely empty like this one. So that's the thing. Has correct email address linked to the Google Cloud Boost account. You can cross verify the link 2, 3 times, also the email, to ensure that you are not rejected. So yeah, I think the exact facilitator referral code is something you all don't have to be concerned about. It's something which we will provide at our end once we get 150 correct registrations. So I think it's playing with time. You'll have to be in the top 150 if you want to really be a part of this program. So the next thing would be what's in there for you if you complete the program. So let's say we have 80 or more than 80 people from our campus who complete the course. That is, number of people is from 80 to 150. Then our college will fall under the tier 1 category. And let's say we have 60 to 79. Then we fall under the tier 2 category. And if only 40 people are able to complete the course over the course of 1 month, then we fall in the tier 3 category. Now, according to the 3 tiers, Google has released certain goodies, which we are not allowed to like publicate as of now, but I think you can be rest assured that it will be a nice thing. The tier 1 has some of the best goodies, followed by 2. And I think I'll not recommend that our college will fall under the tier 3 category, because let's aim for tier 1. It's a really great opportunity for everyone. And be rest assured that the goodies will not be something common. It's something that Google is going to provide. So, yeah. One more thing would be, please keep in mind that you only register if you are really interested. Otherwise, you'll waste a seat for someone who is wanting to join the program. Let's say if you register and you fail to complete the 2 pathways over the course of 1 month, I think that should not be the case, because we have all the rights to do something with your profile in the near future if we host any other event from Google. So I'll recommend, if you are really interested, register for the program. Otherwise, you can skip it, because it's only 150 seats and we recommend that we at least reach the number 80. So everyone from our college gets a good number of goodies. That's a secondary thing, but learning is primary. So yeah, that's all. I think we've completed the basic seminar. What was it all about? You can start asking questions if you have.
So we have some questions in the chat. Is it first come, first serve?
Yes. So the first 150 correct submissions, I'll stress on that word again, correct entries will be eligible for the program.
What time the link will be released?
It's 2:30 today afternoon, 2:30 p.m. on our Instagram handle.
How much time we have to give this per day?
I think it's a primary thing which everyone has to manage it on their own. So let's say if you are able to devote at least 2 hours daily, then you'll be easily able to complete both of the pathways. The course will start from the 3rd of October and will span over a duration of 28 days till the 30th of October. And all of the participants who complete both of the pathways over the course of 1 month will be eligible for the goodies which we will receive from Google.
Can you please repeat the process for registration?
Mm, okay, I'll do that. Okay, so as I said earlier, that you'll need to have something called a Google Skill Cloud Boost account. So before that, as I said earlier, you'll have to create a new Gmail account, which is not a very big thing. As you can see, even I have created a new Gmail account for this session. I had two Gmail accounts, but I chose to make a new one. And I'll recommend that everyone makes another one. And then you just basic fill out a sign up form on the cloudskillboost.google.com. Then once you're done with that, you move to the profile section, and then there will be a button called make your profile public. You hit that button and you'll receive a new URL. As I did it one time, I'll not get the button again. But once you hit that, you'll get a URL something like this. And also before checking the posting the URL into the form, you can hit it on your browser and just check if it is publicly accessible. So this is the link that you enter into the registration form. I think I'll not go over the registration form again because it's just a basic Google form with every instruction written nicely.
How many courses are available? Like a number, if you could provide, until when do we have to complete them?
Okay, so as you can see in this slide, for the Cloud Boost journey or the pathway, you can say, you have a total of 4 courses and a total of 4 quests. We can have a look about the courses. Just a second. I think this one is it, Google Cloud Computing Foundation. As you can see that this is the course which you'll have access on for a course of 1 month. So this is what you have to complete. Every course is specially designed on the cloud fundamentals, and you can learn about it from the Cloud Boost URL before registering if you want to. So you can see that these are the basic videos. And I think it's not a very hectic task to do because you have 1 month for it. These are the 4 quests. So in and all, you'll have to complete 9 things, which is 4 from the courses, 4 from the quest, and one is the Gen AI arcade game.
Can FEs also join?
I think yes, because this program does not need any prerequisite. But if a first year student is joining the session, I'll recommend that please complete it nicely because it's a really good thing if you start learning about cloud right in your first year.
Is using an old account with no prior lab completions fine?
It is fine, but even the session which was conducted for the facilitators, they stressed on the part that create a new Gmail account. Because let's say a glitch happens at their end, and if they check the creation date for the Gmail instead of the Cloud Boost account, then your profile will get rejected. So there's no harm in making a new Gmail.
The new account created should be of my personal use, right?
Correct, correct. And it should be a Gmail account, not any other domain. Any college Gmail account is also not advisable. It should be a Gmail account.
Is there any prerequisites required for completing this course? For example, C++, Java, or any other language?
None, none. You just have to be motivated or passionate about learning cloud.
Should Google developer profile be turned on?
What's that they are referring to? Can you ask them?
Avish, can you?
I think you only have to focus on a Cloud Boost profile. Anything else is not of our concern. This is the only thing which we require in the registration form.
Avish is saying it's showing that option there, Google Developer Profile. I think, are they
I think
talking about the public profile?
ask him to connect with me over WhatsApp. I think I'll guide him better over there.
Okay, Avish, you can connect with our facilitator on WhatsApp.
Here are my details if you want to.
Is there any registration fee?
No, it's a course provided by Google, so it's completely 100% free of cost, but it's only for the top 150 registrations.
Can you provide an overview of the course?
Okay. So as you can see, we have a total of 4 courses. So the first course is basically diving deep into cloud foundations, where you will interact with the Google Cloud Console, like explore what cloud actually is about. The second one is might of a bit hectic to complete because it directly introduces you the core cloud concepts. So it implements various storage methods, various virtual machines methods. Then there is outline on how to administrate, like if a user is wanting to use certain part of cloud, let's say Kubernetes or something, then how do they have to access it? The second course introduces all about it. The third one is computing foundation, networking, and security. So it basically involves around securing networks over cloud, various connection options for various networks. The fourth one is foundation in data, ML, and AI. So, as the name suggests, this is something of an intersection of AI, ML with cloud. So, you'll get hands on experience with big data. Then there is ML, AI, everyone, but with the intersection of cloud. How do you use cloud to access these technologies? And these are the 4 labs which you'll have to complete. As you can see, the first one is creating a virtual machine, then creating with Google Cloud Shell, Kubernetes engine, as I said. Load balancers is something you will learn.
Which certificate will we get?
I think there's no certificate as such, but these are the batches which you will earn. Like I had completed it last year. So these are the 9 batches which I could complete. Getting started with Google Kubernetes engine. Then there is Elastic Google infrastructure, like this. So there's no certificate as such, but I think these badges are also a big thing to earn.
Yeah, these badges count as official certification by Google, and
Correct.
you can share these links on your resume or on your LinkedIn, I think.
And after the, yes, you can totally. And after these badges, you can also opt for a like certification course. Like you'll have to pay a certain amount of fees to Google, and you can become a certified cloud professional. You'll have to give an exam or something. So yeah, even that's a benefit if you really are thinking of pursuing a career in cloud.
Can you please share your details again?
Okay.
Everybody who wants these details, take a screenshot.
Correct, correct.
Will we share the certificate? Can we share the certificate on LinkedIn?
Obviously, even I have done it.
If we register, can we also access it after 1 month?
No, all the credits which you will gain will be expired after a month. So that's the reason you'll have to complete the courses in a month.
Is it self-paced?
Yes, it is a self-paced program, but once you are selected, we at our end will release a certain timelines or deadlines, you can say, so that it does not become hectic at the end of the month. Because we also have term test one coming up. So I think it should be a concern that academics are also not hampered. So I think if you follow the timeline which we provide, you can easily complete the course.
We have to sign up on Cloud Skill Boost Google, right?
Right, right.
Does the batches have any validity?
No, they are for lifetime with you. You can keep it with you for as long as you wish.
Can you repeat the dates for registration?
The dates are it will start 2:30 p.m. today, and as soon as we reach 200 registrations, we are keeping it 150 plus 50 as a buffer because someone, let's say someone failed to make a correct entry, then we can take someone from that plus 50. So the moment we reach 200 registrations, we'll close the form. So there is no deadline as such. The faster you do,
No need to sign up on Google Developers, right?
right, right. No need to sign.
Vineet, if there are no more doubts, can you provide one? Can you provide a gist, like 5 minute gist of the session, and then we can end the session?
Okay, great. So I think I've repeated it many times, but for the last time, Google Cloud Study Jam is a event which happens every year, and GDSC DJSC is also a part of it this year. So why you should enroll, I've covered it all. The courses, quests, registration process is something you'll have to do it very carefully. So you create a Gmail account, you sign into Cloud Boost account and create a new profile. Then you make your profile public and copy the link as it is and enter it to the Google form. The top 150 correct entries will be eligible for the program. The program starts from 3rd of October till the 30th of October. Everyone who completes the course over the span of 28 days is eligible for the goodies. And these are the three tiers according to the number of courses completed: 80, 60, and 40. So I expect that our college will reach the tier 1 because only the ones who are interested are registering for the program. So yeah, I think we can keep the session for last 5 minutes if they have any doubts. Otherwise, we can end it.
Okay, so people are requesting that we keep the stream up after the session.
Yes, I think we can do that. Also, we'll be providing some useful links with the form for creating the Cloud Boost profile.
Deep, the video of the stream will be available after the stream. Don't worry. Vineet, can you share your details for one last time?
Yes, yes, we do.
So, guys, in case you have any doubts in filling the form or during the entire cloud month, you can always reach out to our facilitator. If there are no more doubts, let's end the session at 12:50.
Yes, yes.
Thank you everyone for attending this session.
Thank you so much.